Hi, Lucky. Nothing. Hi, Lucky baby. You okay? Here's my kitty Lucky, my little baby Lucky. Hi, Lucky. She doesn't look it in this picture, but she's very, very pregnant, and the babies have dropped, and they're probably 3 inches from her fucking cunt. Sorry to put it that way, but you know, fucking cunt. I don't know, man. She's taking it better than I am. I just hope I don't have to stick my fingers up in her. Nothing. And have to pull kittens out. But Lucky's she's a rescue. She's a beautiful cat. Most of the time she's a fucking she-devil cunt. But we love her. And there's Loco Lola. Right there, this fucking lunatic. And there's Boo Boo. And where's the other rescue? Where's the other cat? Where's Bella? Where's Bella? Oh, hi, Bella. Hi, kitty. There's Bella. Got her last week. She is fucking a sweetheart. Hi, Bella. She's a sweetheart, man. Hi, kitty. Huh?